The Canadian Prime Minister, Mark Carney, has said that Donald Trump's 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs marks a welcome reprieve for the global economy. Now, the former chief central banker of both Canada and England said in a post on X that the pending results from the negotiations between the White House and dozens of America's trading partners will likely result in a fundamental restructuring of the global trading system. Now, Mark Carney, as you know, is seeking a mandate from voters to deal with the Trump administration with an election scheduled for end of this month, the 28th of April to be precise. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking all the latest developments in Vancouver for us. She joins us live at the moment. Mark Carney has called Trump's pause on global tariffs a welcome reprieve.
Indeed, he has called it a welcome reprieve, but we must remember that for Canada, there is very little reprieve here because it wasn't hit on the 2nd of April by the reciprocal tariffs because there were already heavy tariffs against Canada. 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum, 25% tariff on automobiles and auto parts, and 10% tariff on energy exports to the United States. Why he's calling this a reprieve is because globally, the tremors that we were seeing because of US President Donald Trump announcing those reciprocal tariffs on the 2nd of April have been immense. And also the manner in which the US's own markets have been reacting to it. He also speaks about this in terms of the shift in global world order, especially through trade, because what we are looking now at is countries at the moment trying to strike a bilateral trade deal with the US. Overall, if you look at the trade regime that came about after World War II and then was in fact put in place for the last many years through the World Trade Organization, it talks about free movement of goods and services of trade without any preference to various countries. US itself has been a proponent of saying that trade should be seamlessly carried out through an international trade regime rather than bilateral treaties unless there is a border that these countries share. And now we are seeing that being flouted with countries from all across wanting a bilateral trade deal with the United States, considering the situation we are currently seeing. As far as Mark Carney himself is concerned, he's taking a third break from his campaign at the moment, going back from the campaign trail to Ottawa to head a meeting tomorrow with regards to the US-Canada, the trade war currently underway, and it is expected that post 28th April, after the election, we are likely to see negotiations once again. Remember the trade deal between the three countries in North America, Mexico, US, and Canada, which was called NAFTA, was renegotiated during the previous tenure of Donald Trump, and it is now called CUSMA in Canada. It now appears that there might be perhaps renegotiations on that as well, because Donald Trump doesn't seem happy in the manner in which CUSMA has been made effective in North America. In fact, he believes that there has been flouting and non-compliance of CUSMA, and therefore the tariffs are also a way of pressuring the countries to come back to the negotiating table.